We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. I really appreciate you coming to see these videos. So today we're going to have some more fun with blooming because that's what I want to do today. So let's get down to the canvas and I'll show you the paints and we'll get going with this. Okay, so I've got a lot of paints here where you can see them. They're sort of off to the side here. And we will introduce them. I am playing with my piggies. So our base coat, which is the only thing that is not a piggy, is our Amsterdam titanium white. So that will be our base. And everything today is mixed, of course, with mix pour. And if you want mix pour, you can talk to Krista Rasmussen at krista8974@gmail.com and she will send you some mix. So let's get into those piggies. All right, our first piggy is Show Pony. And that is just this most beautiful of bright pinks. Isn't that a gorgeous color? And the piggies are all mixed with mix pour. Second color on the list is Submarine. That is a beautiful bright yellow for us. Just gorgeous. The shine already, just looking at them. This is one I'm just loving, this next one. This is Brulee. This is a copper interference. It is gorgeous when it's dry. So that'll be fun to add that copper shimmer in. Next, we have Lakeside. That'll be the blue. That is a gorgeous blue. Look at the shine on that. So shiny. Okay. Next is Funk. I like that. That's a pretty purple for us. Beautiful shiny piggy. And our last piggy is Zeus. And this is a gorgeous dark copper gold. Love this color. And it dries so beautiful. Ooh, can't wait. Okay, our canvas today is a Master's Touch hexagon stretched canvas. They call it a 4x4. That's because from point to point it is 4 inches here. But it is approximately 7.5 from point to point this way. And from flat to flat, it's about 6.5. So when you're measuring for how much paint you're going to need for your base coat, so be sure you're using, these measurements and not this measurement. Okay. All right. Then our cell activators for today, which are all mixed 3-to-1 with Australian Floetrol. This is our Teza Mars Black. And our other cell activator is titanium white, Amsterdam titanium white. So those will be our cell activators. Give that a little bit more of a stir. You always want to make sure not only do you stir them ahead of time, but you stir them right before you put them on with your cell activators to ensure that they haven't separated at all and that they are mixed as well as possible when you put it on your pour. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to put our pillow on. And I'm just going to put a little bit on each corner because corners are always a problem to go over. So we'll just give a little extra oomph to our corners. Alright, that should be more than enough color. Probably too much. Alright, now to pick which paint to put where. I think we're going to start with a little funk. And we're going to add some Lakeside. And some Submarine. Show Pony. Drizzle Brulee all over. I seem to be all sliding that direction a bit. And last color is going to be the Zeus. And we're going to put the white cell activator on first. And then the black cell activator.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Okay. I'm going to change your angle a bit. Alright, we are going to attempt to blow this out.
Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine.
Hold on, we'll bring it back up now so you can see a little better.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into
Ow. Alright, we're going to let that sit for a second. Get my palette knife. So you can play a little.
the shadows way too long.
Sort of get it that way just a little more. There's a little too much of it's over on this side. I want to get a little more over this way. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let's give that get you more centered. We're going to give that baby a spin. That is looking pretty cool. All right. Oh, that's looking so nice. I'm seeing so many colors coming up. Always want to let it set a minute. Let some colors come up. Cells finish forming. Oh, I think this one's going to be a beauty. Oh, wow. Ooh. I want to tilt it that way just a little bit. I want to keep more of these pretty colored cells. Also tilting to see how much paint's left on there because I don't want to leave too much on there and have it crack. But Oh, that is crazy awesome. Wow. Let me take you down a bit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the colors in there. I know it's a little hard with the shadow from the camera, but wow. Oh, I'm liking that. Okay, that's a keeper, people. All right, let me clean up a bit, get it off this turner. I'll show you again. Hold on. Okay, guys, that one was so pretty I can't stop yet. I got to do another one because I can and I want to, so I'm going to. All right, so this is just a little 5x7 that I had laying around. I have taped it. It's all set and ready to go, and we're going to throw some paint on it. Why not? Love a little. Those colors are working really nice for me. I'm so happy with the first one. We're going to play again. I think this time I'm going to get rid of the white cell activator and just use the black, because I got a batch of gray stuff in the last one. So I think I would have had to put the white on top of the black maybe, or something. Something just wasn't clicking there. So we're going to play here. And I think what we're going to do is, I think we'll put a little bloom over here and a little bloom over there. We'll make them different. So you have to just make them teeny. Teeny. Again, I'm going to change your angle. So hold on a second. There. Good. I think that'll work. All right. That one sit. We're going to start on the second.
Until you came, I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my
And again, just the black cell activator.
life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come
All right.
shine, I don't
So let those sit a minute.
It's you, right next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Right next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was done.
All right.
Until you came
Let's give this a spin.
again.
Hold on. Let me get you up here so you can see the spin better. Oh, I'm loving this new tripod. There we go. Let's spin it. Oh, I'm loving this one so far. This one's going to end up a lot off, but that one's looking gorgeous. Oh, wow. There you go. That I like. Look at that. All right. That is really cool. Okay, I am going to clean this up and move it onto some cups. I'm going to bring you a little closer just to see. Look at that. Look at the cells on there. All right. I'm going to clean this up and then I'll bring it in for a close-up on the two. Hold on. Okay, we're going to do the wet results on these two. Look at this one. Look at that coloring. Lighting here is just awful. Sorry. But, oh, look at the coloring in the cells. Look at that. We're going to go to the second one, just up here. And this one's looking gorgeous too. I love this one. The rubbing's not as good, but oh, the colors. Alright, that's those little beauties. Let's wait for those to dry, and I'll show you the dried results. Okay, we have the dried results for these two. Start over here. Oh, look how beautiful they turned out. Look at this. Oh, I'm so pleased. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's the first one. We're going to go over here to number two. Oh, look at these. The colors and the lacing and everything. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm so happy. All right. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos. I appreciate you being here more than you can understand. This is a wonderful thing you're doing. Have a wonderful day.